How does this shark live for centuries? Every detail is fascinating. Greenland sharks, some of which are older than the United States, currently swim in our planet's oceans. These deep-sea creatures have an astonishing lifespan of up to 270 years, with some potentially living for over 500 years. Biologists have made significant progress in understanding the reasons behind this impressive longevity. These Arctic region inhabitants live hundreds of meters below the water's surface and do not age like other animals. As they age, their metabolisms slow down, leading to cellular changes. However, analysis of Greenland sharks, which age differently, reveals that their metabolism does not decrease, making them biologically fascinating. Ewan Camplisson, a biologist at the University of Manchester, says, "Every detail about this animal is fascinating. The more we learn about them, the more I want to continue my work." Camplisson presented his new research at the annual conference of the Society for Experimental Biology in July. These sharks not only age extremely, but are also the only shark species capable of living in the frigid Arctic region year-round. But there's more to their story. Camplisson explains, considering their size, they are among the slowest swimming fish. Females can begin reproducing at around 150 years old. They have very small brains, yet they can hunt and navigate over vast distances. Most of their population lives with parasites in their eyes, and their flesh is so toxic that it is poisonous to humans. Scientists suspect that the sharks' extremely slow movements and life in cold waters contribute to their unusual lifespan. However, Camplisson points out that other Arctic fish species, like the northern wolffish, also live in cold waters and move relatively little, yet only live around 20 years. Another deep-sea predator, the six-gill shark, also lives in cold seas but only has a lifespan of about 80 years. This led us to think there might be other factors contributing to the long lives of Greenland sharks, Camplisson states. A graphic showing how researchers measured metabolic activity in the tissues of Greenland sharks. Thus, Camplisson and his team began examining the shark's metabolism. They used Greenland shark red muscle tissue from 23 sharks of different ages, ranging from 60 to 200 years, to observe how metabolic enzymes would react when activated. As shown in the above image, muscle samples were placed in a solution that responded to enzyme changes. As activity increased, the color changed more. A spectrophotometer measured these changes by evaluating light variation. As mentioned earlier, sharks of different ages did not show signs of metabolic slowdown. It is evident that these Arctic sharks live long lives, but the reason remains unknown. Growing slowly and reaching maturity over more than a century might make them more successful in this regard. My best guess is that the reasons for this long lifespan include the harsh environment of the deep Arctic waters, the lack of continuous access to food for an animal like the Greenland shark, and infrequent contact with other Greenland sharks, Camplisson suggests. They slowly swim through vast oceans with few predators. Nothing prevents them from wandering the depths, making them a species with low natural mortality. Their best survival strategy is to grow slowly, build up ample energy reserves, and be in a sustainable state for reproduction when they do encounter a mate. A researcher taking a tissue sample from a Greenland shark. Camplisson, excited by these research results, aims to further study the tissues and anti-aging metabolism of these sharks. Understanding how Greenland sharks achieve such long lifespans and resist age-related diseases, like heart disease, could improve the quality of life for the elderly human population. Thanks for watching.